Hey, good morning, everyone. Hey, we're getting ready to head out here this morning. It is, what's today's date? 11th of October, 24. So anyway, guys, I'm telling you what, we're looking at here. Hey, look, today's show should be the Vaughn and Don show, or the Don and Vaughn. So either way, and yeah, I expect some comments on my hair and whatever. So guys, hey, just enjoy. If we catch something, we'll definitely let you know about it. And cause it's kind of like an eclipse. It only comes around once in a while, right? So anyway, but we're out here to have fun. I think we're going to be targeting right here on the Charlotte River. It's right behind Holden Beach, North Carolina. And a fun fact about Charlotte River, back in the day, it was known as the River of Healing Waters. That's what it was. And from my understanding, people used to come around from many different states and they'd fill up buckets and buckets of water and take it back with them. For what? I don't know. If they drank the water, we'll never hear from them. But if they did or whatever, I mean, I don't know. I've seen the water. I wouldn't want to drink it. I wouldn't want it on me. But that's just me personally. So anyway, guys, enjoy the day. And we'll let you know what we come across, all right? It should be interesting anyway. Don, you want to say something nice to the people? There'll probably only be one or two people watching me and you.
Wish us luck.
Wish us luck. There's always something that's going to take place today, and yeah. So anyway, we're going to go out here and see what we can get into. All right, y'all have fun. We'll see you in a little bit. Right back. Or hopefully we will. See. Well, I don't know. I kind of like this area. It's just this bank over here I'm on should produce, but I see stuff going on right here. See it? Right there, about 20 yards in front of me. I mean, it's right here, and I don't know. Whoa, there you whoa, fish on. Whoa, there we go. Yep, fish on. I tell you what, yeah, I know, yeah, it's a small one. When you loosen your drag up all the way, it'll run like crazy, folks. I'm telling you. It just you drag up. He ate the old mud bin up. So come back over here, if that's okay with you. Try and get in behind this. I know better. I should be over here anyway. Incoming tide. You gotta be on the back side a lot of times. Whoa, you go. Oh, thanks. I got me an oyster rock, buddy. Woo! Big old oyster rock here.
You're probably hitting bottom.
Huh?
I told you you're probably hitting bottom.
Yeah, no, that one there was, yes sir, no doubt about it. Oh, look at this here. He came up and got my bait. Oh man,
Opportunist.
Huh?
Opportunist.
Opportunistic, yeah. Exactly. See, I'll try see what we got here, yep. Yeah, I know when I'm getting bottom, but that one there I was moving. I knew that I caught him when we were moving.
It's a nice one.
Yeah, oh yeah, that's a nice one. Go. I might just short to the camera. Hey, on a slow day of fishing, nothing like catching oysters. Well, right here, the wind was just blowing really strong, but I'm going to show you what happens here. Anytime you're fishing under a popping cork or anything, actually, Carolina rig will do the same thing. You get a little, you'll get a knot in your line, and you want to get that out before it gets cinched down. So, you know, just wanted to show you that. The wind was blowing, couldn't really talk to you. So, anyway. You see the oysters coming right here, but you got to be fishing on top of the oysters, otherwise it's, you're just not going to get anything. I got something small here. He's really small. Let's see what you got here. Vaughn. Probably a pinfish. Hey, guess what? Ding, 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 ding. All right, you know something? It's been a slow day. You know, oh crap, I'm looking at my head again. And guess what? I got to get a haircut. I'm telling you. All right, we'll see you in a minute. Thanks. I got you, yeah, exactly. Whoa, okay, there we go. Fish on. A little one. Oh, Lord, it's got to be another, I don't know, what, pinfish maybe? Is that another pin? Come on. Ah, it looks like a pigfish. Ooh, doggy. That's a pin. Got another pinfish right here. Hey, on a slow day of fishing, you take what you can, right? We're just out here having a good time. We expect the big ones to be rolling in at any point in time, so when they do, uh, maybe we'll have the cameras rolling. Who knows? Let's see.
You're right.
That was a nice red. There it is. That's a red fish right there. Redfish on. Okay, come on, baby. Come on,
Hey,
come on.
nice swirls.
Yeah.
It's nice swirls right there.
Oh, yes, sir. Yep, we got them right here, buddy. That's why I need that sticky pole. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's see what you got there, baby. Come on. We get anchor lock. You okay? Yes, sir. There he is. Yep. Come on, baby. Whoa, this stuff. Oh, he did not like that. Look at it. He did not like that at all.
Drop that shaft down a little bit.
Here we go. Maybe. Just maybe a little bit. Here we go. I don't want to take my hands off the heel. I want to concentrate on him. He's got some shoulders on it. There we go. Come on here, baby. Come on. You just have to drop it down just a few inches. About 3 inches or so. Come on. All right, baby. Come on here, baby. Come on. Look at him. That's a nice red right there. Come on. I'm a horse here. We're just going to pull along with you a little bit, darling. Yes, we are. If you don't mind, can you just hand me that net and I'll get him? I
can mount him.
Okay,
Once you're ready.
to, yeah, sure.
The finger's ready yet.
Yeah, he's close, but let's see. Whoa, hang on. He sees the boat and it keeps running. There we go, baby. Come on now. We're talking about. Is that a black drum or a red drum? I can't make it out. Wow, it looks like a red drum. Yes, sir. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, darling. There you go. Hold on. He just doesn't want to come in. And this is extremely light tackle here. I think it's what, 17 pound, 15 pound, 20 pound leader. I forget which one I got on here. But anyway, go. There we are. Look at that. Thank you, Mr.
Spots on him.
What spots does he have?
4, I see. 5, 6.
Wow, crazy.
One side.
Crazy. Let me put this in
You all
here.
my grabber, or are you good?
Yeah, let's have the those little bogas right behind you. You see the float right there?
Yep.
Let me have it. Whoa, hold on. Come on, baby dog. You need to fall on me. There you go, thank you, sir. Here we go. And here, whoop, here we go. Here we go. Well, I'm trying not to mess things up, but we got a pretty little red here. Whoops, hold on here. It's still a little green. So right here, got several spots on it. Whoops, hold on, baby. Whoa, look at all them spots on there. Then we look over here. See what we got here. Look at those right there. Is that not pretty or what? It's awesome, isn't it? Yeah. All right, let's let him go. How about that? You want to? Yeah. Whoops. Well, we got another one, folks. Watch out, he's coming towards you there, Don. All right, here we go. All right, come on here. He's shaking pretty good. Who knows? Come on here. Come on, baby. Come on. I just have to play him. I don't have any drag on the reel, so I don't know if this will work. That's what it should work, right? Here we go. I'm just using my hand here on the reel. Whoop, letting him do his thing. And I'll even loosen it up. My drag is my hand. Actually, folks, yeah. Here we go. Wow, look at him go. Wow. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Wow, here we go. Come on now. Here we go. John, there's another one right there. Right on that point. I see him.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, what have we got? Come on here now. Come on, guys. Come on. Don't tell me it's stingray. Shit, it's fighting like a red, right? Fighting just like a red, but who knows? Yeah, him fighting like a redfish. If it ain't, he's a pretty good actor, whatever he. Yeah, that's a nice red. That's a nice one there. The, just in case. There we go. Come on, baby. Come on now. Oh, yeah. I believe we can. Here we go. Yeah, I have to do it over here by himself. He's saw the boat. He ain't happy right now. Hold on here. Anyway, come on, baby girl. Come on, sweetheart. Come on. Come on, get away from the boat. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby girl. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Here you go. Come on. Come on here now. There you go, sweetie. You're in the net now. You're good to go. That's right. Here we go. Got a little shoulder on him. Oh, there we go. We can get to pliers here. There you go. You got one right there. See that? He's over there in the other concave area back there. There he is. Hey, I don't know if you guys can see this. That's a little 1/0. No, that's the number one. Number one owner hook. Little live bait hook there. So, but anyway, I'll show you the size fish that it caught. I'll show you that here in a short second. Have to excuse me there, folks, just a second here, okay? If you see an ugly looking guy on the screen right now, that'd be Don. Here we go. Come on here, baby. Open your mouth. I know I'm not a certified dentist. Hold on. He's drumming. He is drumming. Let's see how many spots he has. He's got one over here. Stop there now. Come on now. Stop. There you go. And one there. There you go. We'll see what we got. Here we go. Whoa. There we go. He's not bad, is he? No, not at all. There we go. Not bad at all. Well, we got another one on. Here we go. All right, here we go. So we'll just play him out, just like we did a while ago. What we're going to try and do is no drag on here. I'm just using my hand on the reel. So here we go. Whoa, look at him. Got a little bit of juice. All right. Hey, I can feel him right now. He's going down to the oysters. This is one smart redfish. He knows if he pulls down, he can get me right there in the oysters and cut me off. Oh, there we go. All right. Yep, look at him. Shaking his head. Here we go. Baby. Is that a redfish even? I don't know. Huh. We shall see. Yeah, look at him. It acts like a blue for some reason. I don't know if he is.
Got
or
some
not.
bronze color to him.
Yeah, it looks like a bluefish to me. Is it?
It is.
Oh, I got you. Okay, cool. Awesome. There we go. All right, folks, here we go. Here we go. Now it's okay. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Got him. Uh-oh, he's swimming toward the boat. Here we go. Uh-oh, here we go. Wow, that's a decent sized blue there, isn't it? Here we go. Hey, brother, can I see them bogas? They're under the seat. On top of my tackle bag, yes, sir. If you don't mind. Yes, sir.
You know I'm lipping.
Not anymore. There we go. All right, so let's see. Yeah, I knew he felt a little bit different. Yeah, there we go. I have to get me some more bogas. These things here are shot. There we go, yeah. Well, here we go, folks. Here's your little bluefish. That one right there is pretty doggone decent. I know somebody that loves them, so I'm gonna give it to him. Okay, he asked me if I got one that was decent, he wanted it, so I'm gonna give it to him. All right, so we'll save this one here and go from there. Thank you. Well, thanks everybody for watching Vaughn's Outdoor. If you like these kind of videos, help us let this channel grow. It's just a thing that we have to do. Hit that subscribe button and maybe like it and give us a positive comment and some positive feedback. We will always try and answer any comments that are on there, any questions if you reach out to us, within a reasonable amount of time. Okay, guys, we love you. God bless you, and look forward to the next time. All right, thank you.